Hi, here we're going to show you how to install the centerline locator on your Hoffmann MU2 as well as on the MU2P Dovetail routing machine. As always, when we do any kind of adjustments on our machines, we want to unplug the main power cord and keep the unplugged cord within line of sight so nobody can plug it in by mistake. Centerline locator is a machined aluminum block that has a channel cut in the back, 2 set screws on the top, and a very precise steep point up front. It's mounted on the steel motor bracket, and the kit includes the centerline locator, an Allen key, and a steel spacer to help you adjust it. First thing we'll do is take our miter plate off, gives us a little more room to work. Then with a 13mm wrench, we'll open up the lock nut here. And we now raise the motor carriage up as high as it will go, so we have some room to work. If I put a block of wood on here, I can raise it up even higher. Now it's up and out of the way. The locator is mounted right here on the motor bracket, and you slide it over to about center of the router bit. Now we lower the carriage back down. Make sure we're all the way up. Yeah. Okay. Now to set your locator right dead center with the router bit, the steel spacer is included and it's 8mm wide. The center groove here on the machine is 16, so you put your spacer in here, make sure there's no dust or dirt, and you bring your square stop over and lock that in place. And now all you need to do is adjust your centerline locator so that its front edge lines up with the edge of your square stop. Tighten it down with the Allen key. And you're good to go. The locator is designed to sit a little bit back from the fence so it's not in the way. Your square stop can slide right past it, and when you pull the lever, it simply raises up with the motor carriage. It's never in the way. Once it's installed, it can stay in place. Once you have it installed, you want to make a test cut to see if everything is correct. For this I have 2 square pieces here. A typical application would be a square or T-joint like this. Could be any kind of woodworking application. It could be a face frame joinery. In the picture framing industry, typically we see this on cross braces for stretcher bars. And you now simply mark your line with a pencil. Plug the machine back in. Set our routing height. In this case I use a 5/8 inch key for our 3/4 inch sample stock. And we can now line the pencil mark up with the spacer, with the locator. Same thing here. Cuts are made. The key is inserted. Straight over, we see our line lines up perfectly. If the line is offset a little bit, it's simply a matter of adjusting the locator a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. Once you have it in place, you'll never need to move it.